Essential Winter Home Maintenance Checklist for Canada. As winter approaches, it's important to ensure your home is well prepared for the season's challenges. Follow these key steps to keep your home safe, warm, and efficient during the colder months. Service your heating system, get a professional inspection and replace filters to keep it running efficiently. Seal drafts and add insulation. Check for drafts and add insulation to retain heat. Clean gutters. Remove debris to prevent ice dams. Winterize outdoor plumbing. Drain and insulate pipes to avoid freezing. Test safety detectors. Verify that smoke and carbon monoxide detectors work properly. Inspect the fireplace and chimney. Clean and inspect them before using. Stock up on winter supplies. Keep ice melt, shovels, and emergency supplies ready. Check your roof. Repair any damage to prevent leaks and ice buildup. By following these steps, you can protect your home from winter's harsh conditions and ensure your safety and comfort throughout the season.